Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show you how easy you can create your advertisement for your product in Adobe Express. This video is super short but very helpful. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened Adobe Express, and first of all what I need to do, I need to create a new document. I can use any of those templates with sizes for my advertisement. If I didn't find any size I want right away, I will click on view all, and here I have much more choices. Just like that. Also, if you will click on custom size, you can specify your custom size. But what I would like to do today, I would like to create a new advertisement for my Instagram post. To do so, I will click on Instagram square post because I would like to create my advertisement using square size. This is simple. Express creates a new document for me. And by default, Express fills this document with a white background. You can change it. If you will click on background color, you can specify any color from suggested colors, or you can specify that you don't want any color as a background, or if you will click on custom, you can specify your own custom color. As you can see, everything is up to you. And also, if you will click on this eyedropper tool, you can click on any color in your document. If you have any assets in your document, you can pick color from this asset or from anywhere in your document, just like that. But today I will be using white background. Next step is I want to, of course, to bring my product. Today I will be not creating advertisement using my product, so I will be using assets from Adobe stock. You can do it as well. It's free. You can use it in commercial workflow or your personal workflow. So what I will do, I will click on media, and just like that, you can click on upload from device, and you can bring your own product into your opened document. Or you can click on video like I'm doing right now, and in a search area, I will type headphone, just like that. And voila, Express displays headphones based on my search. As you can see, we have a beautiful, huge library with all headphones. I would like to use this yellow one because I love yellow color. So I will click on it, and just like that, Express added this headphone to my opened active document. Next step will be, guys, of course, I need to remove a white background around this headphone. To do so, I have selected my asset, my headphone layer, and on the left side of my screen, you have as well, remove background option. Click on it, and just like that, Express will remove white background around this headset. What I would like to do, I would like to scale size of this headset down, just like that, and I will rotate it slightly, just like that. Also, I will reposition it just somewhere here. Perfect. I like it. Now, I would maybe a little bit upper, just like that. Now, I would like to add splash of unexpected design to my canvas. To do so, I will click on elements, and from here I will expand shapes library. From the shapes library, I will expand view all circles library, and I will click on this circle. Now Express added this circle to my document, but position it on top of my headphone. What I need to do, I need to reposition it behind this headphone. To do so, on the right side of my screen, I will click on a circle layer and I will simply drag it below the headphone layer. Now I will a little bit scale size of this shape down and I will reposition it below my headphone, just like that. While my circle is selected, is active, on the left side of my screen, you have as well opacity icon. Tap on it and then moves opacity slider to the left, just like that, to make more elegant shadow directly under our headphone. Now we have illusion that our headphone is flying in the air and we have this shadow under it, just like that. Perfect. Next I would like to add next element which will bring contrast to our composition. To do so, I will click on this arrow next to circle library title, just like that, and I will expand rectangles library. From here, I will tap on this black rectangle shape, and after Express added it to my canvas, I will reposition it. I will slightly rotate it, just like that. I will just a little bit expand it, just like that. Maybe something like that. So take your time, play with it. Nothing is just you need to do it in one step. Absolutely not. You can play, you can tweak until you will be happy with your design and with some particular asset in your design. So I'm happy with the shape. What I would like to do, I would like to change the color. To do so, I will click on fill icon in rectangle, edit rectangle workspace, and I will change my color to this beautiful bright pink color, just like that. Now we have same dilemma. We need to reposition this shape behind our other assets. To do so, I will click on this layer and I will drag it under all other layers, just like that. It's simple, guys. Everything is simple in Adobe Express. Next, I would like to add a little bit more fun to my advertisement design. To do so, I will tap on media one more time, and now, guys, I will enable video library. From here, guys, you can see that you can use any preview or use any video Express displays for you, or you can make your own search, or you can record your own voice. It's up to you. Today, I will be searching for listening to music, and because I want to position my asset on top of the headphone, I will type full body, just like that, and look at this, listening to music. For some reason it's not showing. Let's do it again, listening to music, just like that, and voila, look at this. Adobe Express displayed all videos from Adobe stock based on my search. I don't see Now I would like to add unexpected twist, funny twist to my design. To do so, I will tap on media, on photos, and I will type listening to music, full body, just like that, and voila. Adobe Express displayed for me all images from Adobe stock based on my search. As you can see here, I have already favorited one of images I would like to use today. To do so, I will click on it, and just like that, Express added this asset to my document. But again, guys, we need to remove background. To do so, I will select, I will make this layer active, and I will click on remove background. And just like that, Express will remove a background. But what else I would like to adjust in this image? I would like to flip it. To do so, I will click on position, and from here I will click on flip horizontally, just like that. Now I will scale size down, just like that, and I will position it on top of my headset, just like that. Maybe I will make it a little bit smaller. And also, of course, I can rotate it. Just like that. Look at this. Now we have a little bit fun twist added to our advertisement. So, now guys, let's pause for a second. You can add as many assets to your advertisement design as you like. You can add as less as you like. But along with visual assets, with design, we need to add a message we would like to send to our potential customers. And to do so, we will be using our text. So what I will do next? Next, I will click on text, and from here, guys, you can search for text or you can add your own text. I will add my own text. To do so, I will click on add your text, and I will type sound that moves you, just like that. Double check your spelling just in case. And what I will do now, I will increase size of my text. You can leave your text as it is. You don't have to change the size or a color or font. Everything is up to you. But if you want to change anything, you can do it as well. So what I will do, I will increase size of my text just like that. And also I will change the structure of my text. Now I would like to bring size of my text down, and just like that. Now, am I happy with this font? Yeah, but I would not say I'm happy. It's okay, but I can make it more personal. I can make it better. To do so, I will click on looking down arrow from here. And look at this. Adobe Express has huge library with fonts. But if you cannot find some particular font you would like to use, simply click on more fonts and you will be redirected to Adobe font website, when Adobe has huge collection of fonts. And I can guarantee from there you can pick any font you want. I will be using previously used font. I like this font, so I will click on it, and just like that. Next step is I want to change the color of my font. To do so, I will click on fill. I will click on eyedropper tool, and I will pick this beautiful pink color. What about if we would like to add outline to our font? Can we do that? Yes, we can. We definitely can do that. To do so, click on this outline icon, and you can change outline for your font. Also, you can adjust thickness for your outline, just like that. Look, it's completely different effect. But actually, I like this. And now I think maybe I will tell Express that Express, I don't want to fill any color, excuse me, in my text, but I would like to use outline, and I would like to use outline with specific color, with this beautiful pink color. And voila, now my text looks more interesting. Now, again, I'm repeating myself, but this is important. You can keep your advertisement design clean. You can use less on more details. It's everything is up to you. But what I would like to show you that you can make it more, you can add more contrast to your design. To do so, I will click on elements, and from here I will click on this rectangle we previously used, and I will fill this rectangle with yellow color, just like that. I will use eyedropper tool and I will pick color from my headset. That design now has more contrast, and of course I will reposition it, I will reconstruct it, make it smaller or larger. It's up to me, it's up to you. Now I want to add the last text in our advertisement. To do so, I will click on text, add your text, and I will type plug noise, just like that. I'm happy with the font, I'm happy with the color, but what I would like to do, I would like to bring the size of my text down, and then I will reposition it on top of my yellow box. And of course I need to bring size a little bit down, just like that. Perfect. Now we have more contrast in our commercial. We live in 21st century. We love moving effect. Time flies fast, so why not to add moving effect to our advertisement? To do so, I will click on elements, and I will specify that, I would like to add new design asset to my canvas. To do so, I will click on design canvas and I will type movie, just like that, and look at this. Now we have all these assets related to the movie. You can pick any, you can choose any of those assets. It's up to you, it's up to me. Again, I would like to add a little bit more unexpected twist to my design. To do so, I will click on this asset, I will reposition it, just like that. I will scale size up, just like that, a little bit more, and voila, I'm happy. The next step is actually, I enjoyed in my previous advertisement using this, working on this last step. So what I will do, I still have a selected element feature, but I will switch to media. I will click on media, and from here I will click on videos, and now I will type listening to music, and voila, Adobe Express displayed all videos from Adobe stock based on my search. You can use any video you like. I would like to use this one. I will click on it, and just like that, Express added it to my canvas, and also displayed timeline for my video clip. I can adjust timeline in a way like in any other video file. I can do anything, pretty much anything I like in my video, but I like this video as it is. So what I will do, first of all, let me hide timeline, and now I will reposition this video on top of my movie icon. And of course, I need to reposition this layer behind it. Now, guys, I have a little bit dilemma. I need to make this video clip fit to my movie icon. I can size it down, just like that, look, and I can reposition it. And voila! No dilemma anymore. It was super easy. And if I will click on this icon, play icon, I can preview it right away. Just like that. It's super easy. Now, if I will type on edit timeline, I will expand my timeline. So guys, if you don't want to have any sound in your advertisement, you are all set. But if you would like to add music, you can do it as well. To do so, click on media and now click on audio. Our clip, we have clip in 16 seconds. So if you will, when you clicked on audio, Express redirected you to audio library where you can find all sound effects, music available. Again, it's free. You can use it in your commercial workflows or personal workflows. If, example, you want to expand any library with some specific genre, you can do it as well. Example, if I want to expand electronics, I can click on view all, and here we have huge library with electronic music. You can preview audio file before you will add it to your document. To do so, simply click on this play icon and you will preview the music. If you like it, you can add it to your timeline. But before we will do that, I would like to bring your attention to this. Our clip, this clip, we have clip in 16 seconds. So you can see that here we have more than 1 minute, more than 2 minutes, and we have in other instances we have only 5 seconds. So pay attention to the duration of your audio file. Let's click on somewhere on the let's do long time coming audio. I will click on it, and voila, this clip was added to my timeline, to my document. Of course, I can adjust audio timeline in the way I want. Also, I can specify fade out, in and out. Example, if I want to specify out, I can click on it, and by default out time is 2 seconds, and be honest with you, 2 seconds works perfectly fine in my workflows, but feel free to adjust it in a way you like. Also, you can adjust ending and starting point of your audio clip, and you can reposition it. You can add multiple clips to your video, so to your video. So guys, this is simple, easy. After you're happy with everything, you can click on play and you can preview it in a way you can hear it. You cannot hear it now, but you can hear it through your computer audio. The last step is, if you're happy with everything, you don't have, by the way, to save anything in Adobe Express. Everything is auto save. Example, if you started working on your project and your lights went out, or you needed to run somewhere, you don't need to waste your time on saving your document. Everything is auto save, so you will lose nothing. But when you happy with everything, when I'm happy with everything, I will click on download, and I will download this advertisement to my drive. So guys, this is all what I wanted to share with you. As you see, it's super easy and super fun creating advertisement in Adobe Express. I hope you will jump to Adobe Express and you will create your own advertisement for your own product. And if you will do so, please share it with me. I cannot wait to see what you will create. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for your time. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.